Everyone, this is Zach with BorderLAN Cybersecurity with a couple quick tips on ESET and how to kind of make the most out of it with the time that you have. So I know with antivirus specifically, it's not super exciting. People don't really want to talk about it or worry about it. But what can and will eventually happen is that your system, your endpoints, and your environment will become infected. Typically with ransomware, that's become extremely popular as of late. And when your system gets infected with ransomware, it typically gets encrypted, and after that encryption, you're asked to pay some type of amount with Bitcoin or something along those lines to get your information decrypted. Now, ESET can come into play, basically stop that from happening, reduce the attack surface, make sure that you are as protected as possible, and if you ever do get infected, they can actually help with remediation with their malware cleanup tool and some other things that they have. So typically what's happening that I see with a lot of our customers is with other antivirus, or if they're not using any antivirus at all, they're just trying to leverage Windows Defender or something along those lines. What ends up happening is that they get infected with ransomware, and ransomware will quickly encrypt the drive, and once things are encrypted, you'll have some type of pop-up asking for a certain amount of Bitcoin to be transferred to the hacker's anonymous wallet. Once that happens, it's extremely frustrating to get your information back, whether you decide or not to pay, whether you have backups or not. It's just a lot of time that you have to spend to do all these different types of things, mount those backups, boot from those backups, all those different types of things. So instead, what you can do is get an extremely powerful antivirus like ESET. Now, what ESET does extremely well is reduce the attack surface. So chances are your chances are a lot lower to actually get infected with ESET, and they can actually help with remediation as well. So if you ever do get infected, they have some great malware remediation tools. So it's all inclusive. It's a one kind of stop shop for AV instead of having to stack multiple solutions in place. So leverage things like Windows Defender, maybe some type of exploit prevention, maybe an additional ransomware level. All these things are going to be included with ESET and come from a single pane of glass, which is awfully nice. For more information, feel free to reach out to us directly at BorderLAN. You can give us a call at area code 760-736-8100.